After silence, that which comes nearest to expressing the inexpressible is music. What's up, everyone? Jennifer here. Welcome to the third Cognition Edition episode. I created these relatively shorter videos to help you crack the code using cognitive activities to help your loved one boost their brain. If you like these videos, subscribe down below to see them all. This video will help your loved one by tapping into what's called procedural recall. It's a type of memory that stays very much preserved even when the rest of the brain starts to deteriorate, like in those with dementia. It will also promote improved mood, behavior, and cognitive function. How? Music. So to start, let's get a little better understanding of our brain. As you know, you have a left side of your brain and a right side. If any of you out there have ever listened to TEEPA Snow, and if you haven't, then you should. She's incredible. Then you know that vocabulary comprehension and production of speech is stored on the left side of our brain, while automatic social chit-chat, rhythm of speech, poetry, and prayer is stored on the right. To make it easy, language is on the left and rhythm is on the right. For those loved ones with dementia, they're going to lose the left and keep the right. So why is that important? Because rhythm and music survives when the rest of the brain may begin to die. So it becomes an invaluable tool in helping your loved one in three major ways. First, it reduces stress. Study after study has found that music can help reduce stress even in the most difficult circumstances, like illness and surgery. Slow and meditative music will produce a calm, relaxing effect, while faster tempos will produce arousal. Secondly, it improves mood. So to smooth jangled, jagged nerves, that's one thing, but to raise sagging spirits, that's quite another. But bright, cheerful music can do that. It can make your loved one feel happy, upbeat, and energetic. But also remember that in just the same way, sad, mellow tunes can make your loved one feel down and depressed. So stay away from those. And third, it gets you moving. As I'm sure you all know, falling is a serious medical problem, especially for people over 65. In fact, 1 out of every 3 elderly people suffers at least one fall over the course of a year. So, music. Music automatically sparks rhythm and makes people want to tap their feet and dance. Dancing, even just slow stepping with a loved one, can increase their safety with walking and improve their balance. Music has even been proven to improve the mobility of people with Parkinson's disease. Personally, I use music during my therapy sessions all the time. I've seen withdrawn, disinterested, and wheelchair-bound patients light up and interact in other ways therapists or staff have never seen before. I've seen stroke patients who are usually unable to communicate sing their way through a church hymn. I've seen lethargic, confused dementia patients begin to sing and clap at the sound of a familiar tune. I've even seen arthritic patients, or those suffering from Parkinson's disease, tap on a small drum or shake a tambourine to create sound and rhythm, all with music. For you caregivers out there that are living with a loved one with dementia, I suggest the simple music player. This is an incredibly easy-to-use MP3 music box that's going to allow your loved one to listen to music whenever they want. I love this music player way more than a radio, especially for those with dementia, because you can download songs specific to your loved one's taste. It's one thing to hear music. It's a whole nother thing to hear songs you love. So check the description down below for a link if you're interested. So, pull out the old record player, turn on the radio, go to the orchestra, go to a concert, whatever strikes your fancy, but just listen to music. It may very well be that which keeps the brain from ever truly getting old. If you haven't checked out my other Cognition Edition episodes, click the link to the left to watch them now. Until next time, Good luck cracking the code.